Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khalifah Karata, and in this video, I will give you the presentation about the English Journal Education with title Improving Students' Reading Skill Through Numbered Heads Together Technique. And this journal is made by English Education Department of Teacher Training and Education Faculty 11 Maret University, Surakarta. Okay, the first is background case. As we know that English language is the most important language to learn because of many reasons. Some of the reasons are English language is the common language. This language, or English language, is always used. It is used in many formal meetings like seminar, workshop, or talk show. Many of them are used English language. And then English language can face the globalization, such as in the education and information sectors. And next, English language becomes one of the most important subjects for students, especially in junior high school and senior high school students. And English language is stated in the national curriculum in Indonesia. So that's why English language is important to learn. Okay, the next. And for the students who want to improve and increase their English ability, they can do many ways. One of way is reading. Reading is the major way to learn English. And the definition from reading skill is an ability to accomplish a task that involves some process that are used to get the meaning and ideas from the written text, which is symbolized in written or printed text or printed language. And in reading activities, reading needs active and communicative process between the writer and the reader. And some of the indicators of reading skill, there are 6 indicators. There are identifying main idea, identifying stated detailed information, identifying implied information, guessing the meaning of unfamiliar words based on the text, identifying references, and identifying the purpose of the text. In the pre-research at the second grade of SMP 2 Surakarta, SMP Purnama 2 Surakarta, the writer found that students had difficulties dealing with the indicator of reading skill. Some of their difficulties there are 6. They are difficult to identify main idea, difficult to identify stated detailed information, difficult to identify implied information of the text, difficult to guess the meaning of unfamiliar word based on the text, difficult to identify references, and difficult to identify purpose of the text. Okay, next. And writer also found some problems from the class situation. The problems that writer found, there are 3 problems. There are students' motivation was low, student confidence was low too, and students tended to be passive learner. So it is still a passive learner that student only given by the teacher. Only given the material from the teacher, and they only read and do the tasks. And writer also found some causes of the problem in the pre-research. There are teachers still use the teacher-centered technique. So only teacher who was the center only teacher who was give the material. So it is one of the problem. And the next is the is the limited teaching techniques and learning techniques, and then the monotonous technique that makes student boring, that makes student motivation was low, and the next, students were not interested because of only the teacher-centered learning, and then interaction among students was low, so only interaction between teacher and student, and there is no interaction between student and student. There is no grouping tasks or something. Knowing the problem and the causes of the problem, there is one way to solve this problem. There is numbered heads together technique. According to Kagan, it is a technique which makes the student as the center of the learning rather than the teacher-centered learning. So this is the technique or the way to make the student can active and can do the participate. They can participate and as participant too. And next, according Hayek in Stark, it is an effective technique because all students in group are held equally responsible and have motivation to support one another learning, because it is a task or a technique that students have to do in group, so they can communicate with their friends and they can do the tasks together, because this is also the student-centered learning, and the writer believe that this is the effective way to solve the problem. And there are 4 steps for teacher to do this learning or this technique. The first is numbering every students in group, and then questioning. The second is questioning. The teacher give the question for the students group, and the third is heads together. Students do the tasks together with their own group. They have the group and they do the tasks, solve the question, solve the problem together. And the fourth is answering. Answering is the student give the answer. They group answer to the other group and their teacher. Okay, next. The method is students are placed in group and each person is given a number. It is like the first step. The last first step is numbering. Yes, the student is given a number by the teacher, and they are in group also, so they can do the tasks in group together. And according to Olsen and Kagan in Glasser, the main concept from this technique is students can achieve their learning goal through small learning group in which students work together through structured activities. Okay, next, the research methods. It is located in SMP Purnama 2, Surakarta, Central Java, and the object is the second grade of 8B from SMP Purnama 2, Surakarta. And the date for research this way in the SMP Purnama 2 Surakarta is from May until July 2012. And for getting the data, the writer used 2 methods, the qualitative and quantitative. The qualitative writer used interviewing, observation, and questionnaire, and the quantitative writer used pre-test and post-test. When writer do the qualitative method, there are 5 processes for getting the data. There are assembling the data, coding the data, comparing the data, building the data, and reporting the outcomes. And in the discussion, and the discussion from the result of methods in the that writer has done in SMP Unamatu Surakarta, there are some improving in student skill. The first is NHT, or numbered heads together, improve students' reading skill. There are 6 aspects of reading skill. There are identifying main idea, finding implied information of the text, finding stated detailed information, guessing the meaning of unfamiliar words based on the text, identifying references, and identifying the purpose of the text. And in improving in identifying main idea, it is focusing on certain paragraph in a time in group that consists of the 4 students. There are 1 low achiever, 2 average achiever, and 1 high achiever. So there are 4 students in a group that consists of low, 2 average, and 1 high achiever. And they share together the problem, they discuss together the problem, and then the result, the mean score of the test. The first pre-test, the pre-test, in the pre-test the student got the mean score 15, and in the post-test one it is increased until 50, and the post-test 2 it has the hike increasing in 70 scores. And the next is this technique improves in identifying stated detailed information, and thus the whole class discussion and response from the other group makes the students can get the more information and the more answer, so student can choose and they can think and can discuss together which one the right answer, because this is detailed information, so student can choose and they can discuss together about the right answer. In the pre-test, the mean score of the student is 45. In the post-test one, it is increased until 49. And the post-test 2, it has the hike increasing until 64.40. The next is NHT technique can improve student reading skill in identifying implied information. It is analyzing all of the information using the question based on the text and then explained it orally. Students in the pre-test got mean score 39, and in the post-test one they got 60, and the post-test 2 it has the increased score in 77.50. The next is NHT technique can improve students' reading skill in guessing meaning of unfamiliar words. Teacher give the text to the student, and then teacher give the triggered question and some word splash or some brainstorming that contains of unfamiliar words. Then student analyze it and then look for the meaning from the vocab, and then they discuss together. In the pre-test they got 51, and the post-test 1 student got 78, and in post-test 2 student got 80 in score. And the next, NHT technique can improve student reading skill in identifying references. teacher gives the text or give the question, then students work together to solve the problem and they analyze the question, then they can find the right references. They can because this task is doing by group, is done by group, so students can find many references because this technique is doing by group. And in the pretest they got 43, and the post-test 1 they got 62, in post-test 2 they got 66. And the next is NHT can improve student reading skill in identifying communicative purpose of the text. Before the lesson is beginning, is begun, teacher 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 give the teacher give the communi- teacher give the purpose from the learning, explain the purpose of the learning today. And in the end session, in the NHT session, teacher asks the student whether they know the material or not. And in the pretest they got 38, in the post-test 1 they got 53, and the post-test 2 they got the high mean score in 62.50. And the next is NHT technique can improve class situation. Before writer do this technique, students spend longer time to be ready before the lesson. But after this technique, students' readiness got better. And then in this technique, students will be motivated because they are grouping in group, and there are friends, or there are group mates who can help to solve the task and the problem. And then students participate actively during the lesson because they have to speak, they have to give the result from their discussion one by one, because teacher will will teacher will ask one of the student in group, then explain the result. And then the other person and the other student in one group, because in a group they are numbered, so teacher asks one by one. And then from this technique, students can pay attention, interested, relax, and enjoy during the lesson. And then students can build communication with others because the task is doing by group, so they have to communicate with their friend in a group. And then students are more confident because they believe that they can solve this problem together with their friend. And the next students become more active. And last, I will give the conclusion from this research that NHT improves the students' reading skill. We can look at from the increasing of the mean score. All of the mean score in the pretest is 40.47. In the post-test 1, student got 58.55, and in the post-test 2, it has the hike increasing in their mean score. It is 71.16. And the second conclusion is the class situation in English lesson get better because students can more active, can be more confident, they can solve their problem together with their friend, and they be more diligent, they always do their homework, and everything that they 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 don't do before the NHT technique. After NHT technique, they do the good thing so that the increasing and the improving is getting better. And the conclusion from this technique is numbered heads together technique is able to improve the students' reading skill and the class situation during the teaching and English learning lesson. Okay, that's all from me. That's all for me to explain this English journal education. Thank you very much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.